can aquaponics actually work? Does it work? Holy catfish! It's the aquaponics lady! Does aquaponics work? Here is a living proof that an aquaponics system works. I've got 2 in my backyard. I've been doing it since 2007, and most of the time I grow at least 85% of my own vegetables in my own backyard based on my aquaponics system and wicking gardens, wicking beds. Yes, aquaponics works. You need to understand how it works. You need to learn a bit about it, but you didn't know how to drive a car, and you probably learned how to drive one. I didn't know how, I wasn't born knowing how to drive a car. I had to learn how to drive it. No one's born knowing how to cook. Okay, we learn how to do things. Everything is a learned behaviour. You can learn how aquaponics works, and you can be building your own system and having a healthy system. Now, I've just done a massive harvest out of here. It was choppers with silver beet, which I eat lots of silver beets, so that's great, but I wanted to pull that out, freeze that, and I've now got seedlings in there which you can't see easily. But aquaponics, it works. It grows so much faster than any other type of crop growing system. It uses less water. It's fun to do. We have fish that we can either eat or have as pets. And what about learning opportunities for the kids on how, learning responsibilities, learning where food comes from? Oh my gosh, aquaponics, it works on so many levels.